and then 7.3. Right, calculate the size of alpha. If alpha is less than 90 degrees, RS is 70 meters, P is 80 meters, and then Q is 2,500 square meters, and beta is 42 degrees. So it's just a matter of substituting here. What is RS? RS is 70 meters, so it's 70 is equal to 2 times, and then Q is 2,500, and then beta is 42, so that we turn 42 degrees divided by P is 80, and then sine alpha. We're looking for alpha. So what can we do here? We can maybe multiply by 80 sine alpha on both sides. So we have 70 times 80 sine alpha is equal to 2,500 tan 42 degrees. We want sine alpha, so we can divide by this on both sides of the equation. So it becomes sine alpha is equal to 2 times 2,500 tan 42 degrees divided by 70 times 80. Right, what you can do, let's simplify this. We can simplify this part. Okay, let me use this space here. If you simplify this part here, 2 times, which is 5,000 divided by 70 times 80, you'll get what? You'll get 25 over 28. So it becomes sine alpha is equal to 25 over 28, and then tan 42 degrees. Okay, arcsine, inverse of sine to get angle alpha. So it's arcsine. Then just put this thing as it is into your calculator, don't change anything. So it's 25 over 28, then tan, and then open bracket 42 degrees, then close bracket, and then close bracket again, because we have opened 2 brackets, so we must have 2 closing brackets. Alpha is equal to 53,50725593, which is alpha is equal to 53,51 degrees.